Just when the bomb was thought to be a dud, it exploded. Power puncher Christian Araneta, dubbed the bomb, unleashed a left uppercut with just 2 seconds to go to brutally knocked out Jerry Tomogdan in the 12th round late Saturday, August 18, and snare the World Boxing Council Asia Silver Light Flyweight title at Mandaue City Sports Complex. More important, his 14th stoppage and 16 straight victories could propel Araneta to a world title shot in his next fight. According to Jerome Calatvara, vice president of Omega Pro Sports International, which promotes Araneta, they intend to challenge whoever will emerge the winner between unbeaten Thai champion Wanheng Menayothin, 50-0, 18 KOs, and Filipino challenger Pedro Taduran, 12-1, 9 KOs, for the WBC minimum weight crown on August 28 in Nakhon Sawan, Thailand. Trainer Julius Irving Junko said Araneta is ready to slide to 105 pounds in pursuit of his dream of becoming a world champion, just like his stablemate and World Boxing Association interim featherweight titleist Jack Tapora. With the way he put Tomogdan to the canvas, bleeding on the nose and motionless for a few minutes before recovering his wits, Araneta could just be another world champion in the making. Well ahead on the scorecards after the 8th round, 79-73, 79-73, 78-74, Araneta was just coasting along until Tomogdan, hoping for a last-ditch knockout, got careless and left himself open for the lethal shot to the jaw that stunned the crowd, many of whom were headed to the exits as the outcome was certain. "It wasn't a lucky shot as we've been practicing it in the gym," said Junko, adding they also prepared for the body shots unloaded by Tomogdan, who dropped to 25-10-4, 13 KOs. The 23-year-old Araneta reached as high as number 8 in the 108-pound division before being sidelined by a right shoulder injury last year. In the Chiefs' support, Jaber Zayani of France bested Filipino Eduardo Mancito by split decision, 95-94, 96-93, 93-96, to clinch the World Boxing Organization Oriental Super Featherweight champion. Exploiting his 7 cm reach advantage, Zayani stretched his win run to 15 with 8 KOs, while Mancito dropped to 16-9-2, 9 KOs.